Hello everyone. Our chapter Motion and Apply. Previously we are introducing our topics acceleration, velocity and displacement. Again we are introducing some of particle moment. The particle which can taken as projectile station. Which station we are taken? Projectile station. Some of projectile station we can be applicable in every x-axis to every y-axis. Okay. The parabola we can take as some of situations we can applicable in this topic. Okay. Now our chapter motion in a plane. Motion in a plane. Right? If any previous our topic projectile, when projected to the particle, we can take it as a at 0th position to at infinity of the position of at x-axis. The projected one we are going to take it as always y-axis. In these phenomena we can applicate in these the projectile motion. Okay, clearly we can do it. Now next one, the nature of path of projectile. The nature of path of projectile. In bracket parabola. Which one? Parabola. Now these fundamentals which can be applicated in some situations. Okay. Now what kind of situations? For example, I choose the graph position in every x-axis to every y-axis. Okay. This one is 0th position. It origin position. Okay. When object to, we can start from at 0th position. Now we can take it as projectile function. Which function? The projectile function. The projectile function we can take it as this is the y-axis situation. This is the projectile function. Clear? Now this is the function we can take it as theta representation. In every axis we can represent it at cos theta representation. In every y-axis representation sin theta representation. Now this is the fundamental we can take as every initial velocity u is equals to u fundamental position. Now initial velocity u cos theta. Now this is the projected one u sin theta. Now this is the graphical. Clear? So we can choose the first particular point we can take as every x-axis is equals to u cos theta into t. The velocity we can take u cos theta into t. The displacement is equals to velocity into time period. Displacement is equals to velocity into time period. Now velocity we can take it as in every x-axis the position. When an object starts from a 0th position, clearly we know that at 0th position, at the end of the series we can take it as we can take it in x-axis also. At 0 to at initial position to at the end of the position we can take it as the velocity we can take now u cos theta with respect to we are taken time period. Okay. Now displacement is equals to velocity into time period. Or velocity is equals to displacement by time period. Now clear one in x-axis. Now projected one we can take it at y-axis. Y is equals to at y-axis y is equals to u sin theta. U sin theta into t. Okay. Minus half g t square. Now this one s is equals to ut plus half a t square. Since we can take it as g is equals to projected one, always projected one which is going to negative acceleration due to gravity. Now negative gravity we can take as minus g fundamental function. Clearly, now y is equals to u sin theta into t minus half g t square. Now this is the equation number 1. Now this is the equation number 2. There are mainly two equations. For example, from equation 1 we can take it. Okay. Now time period t is equals to x by u cos theta. X by u cos theta time period t is equals to. Now this is the equation number 3. Clear? Okay. In t time period equation 3 substitute equation number 2. Okay. Equation 3 substituting equation 2. Okay, equation number 2. And y is equals to we can take u sin theta Clear one? U sin theta into time period t we can take an x by u cos theta. X by u cos theta. X by u cos theta minus half g is the constant function. Now time period t is equals to x by u cos theta whole square. X by u cos theta whole square. Clear? Okay. Now y is equals to u sin theta by u cos theta into x. Okay, minus half g. Okay, g x square by u square cos square theta minus half g x square by u square by cos square theta. Now y is equals to u get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta into x minus half. Okay, clearly the equation you can write. Okay, g by 2u square cos square theta into x square. Y is equals to tan theta into x, the overall product which can be inbuilt of x square property. Okay na? Now since we can take y is equals to ax minus bx square, this is the equation of parabola. The equation of parabola. Now a is equals to which one? Tan theta. Now b is equals to we can take as g by 2u square cos square theta. Those two representation we can applicable in parabola equation. Okay. Now the nature of path of projector. Now projector we can take as parabola function. Okay. Now the representation which is the very important one we can take. Okay. Very important one. Clear? Now every representation of graphical manner we can take in every x-axis. Every x representation u cos theta, since we can take as if any two cosines of the function in our the primary signs. Okay, now u cos theta is the first station, now u sin theta is second station. Every u cos theta represented is always x direction. Every y axis represents always u sin theta. Clearly we can take as every projected function upward direction we can represent always sin theta representation. Every horizontal function represents is always cos theta representation. Now cos function we can applicate this base of the function. Which function? Base of the function. When an object is thrown upward, at zero position to some of infinity position, we cannot applicate to the position of station. Okay, infinity position. The position we can take in as u is the position factor. Clearly, okay. Now x representation function we can take in as u cos theta. Now y we can representation u sin theta. Now this is the statement of graph product. Okay, in x axis we can represent every x representation means displacement of the function. Clearly you know the displacement of the function. Okay, now displacement is equals to velocity into time period. Clearly, now x is equals to velocity we can take in as in every x axis u cos theta into t representation. Time period. Clear? Now y is equals to we can take it as our equation in from kinematic second line. Okay? Now s is equals to ut plus half at square. Clearly? Now u is the projected function. It is u sin theta into t minus half at square. A representation we can take it as negatives and the projected function is always going to upward. Always going to upward. Every upward direction we can take it as negative sign minus gt square. Clearly? Now t is the function, the time period t is equals to x by u cos theta. The representation will substitute the second equation of y is equals to u sin theta t minus half gt square. Clearly, in this substitution we can represent it as the equation y is equals to ax minus bx square. Clear? Now a is equals to tan theta, b is equals to g by 2u square cos square theta. Okay, that works. Now next one, time of maximum height. Time of maximum height. Now what is the time of maximum height? Now height means you can represent it. Now what is the fundamental word of height? Okay? The displacement of vertical direction. The displacement of vertical direction is known as which one? Height of the property. Clearly, height of the property. This fundamental phenomenon is known as height of the function. Now what is the maximum height? Now maximum height which we can take it as the representative to peak point of the height value. Which value? Peak point of height value. So what is the peak value? Okay. Now what is the peak value? Peak value. Okay. Time of maximum height. Maximum height. Time of maximum height. Okay. Now time of maximum height we can represent it as sum of graphical position every x-axis to every y-axis. Every x-axis to every y-axis. At 0 is the position point, at 0 position. Initial we can take in as every initial velocity we can take in at 0th position starts from. Okay? 0th position in every x-axis to y-axis. Now this is the projectile function. Projectile function. Okay? Now this the function. Maximum of the function which can be represented Vy. Vy. Okay? Now this is the maximum height. Vy is equals to maximum height. V is the velocity point at y station we can take it. And y means we can take in the projected function. In every projected function, when a ball thrown upward direction, sum of displacement of height we can take in. Okay, that's the maximum height of the position. When a ball thrown upward direction, sum of maximum height at a downward direction to continue. Okay, so these phenomena, this shortest distance is known as height of the property. Which height of the property? Maximum height of the property. We can take in time period, velocity, and the shortest displacement. We can take in shortest displacement is known as always height of the property. Clearly at Vy position. Our previous class every Vy position is equal to 0 because they are taken the tan theta is equals to Vy by Vx. Clear one? That's the position we can find it. Okay? At Vy position, Vy is the maximum height of the position. Maximum height of the position. This is the Vy position. Okay, clear? Now every Vy position at Vy is equals to u sin theta into t minus gt. U sin theta minus gt. This is the similar one. Vy is equals to u sin theta minus gt. Vy is equals to initial velocity we can take it. Okay. Now time period at g is equals to we can take it. Now what is the g value? The g fundamental we can take it as every upward direction. G. Okay. The time period t is equals to which time period we can take it? At initial point to the suffix of the point. Now this one. Okay. Every time period t we can take it as maximum time period Tm. Clearly T. Since we can take in Vy is equals to 0, maximum height we can represent it as always constant on every peak of the point. We can object it completely downward direction. This is the peak of the value when the object completely downward direction. Okay, now Vy is equals to 0. Now 0 is equals to u sin theta minus g Tm. Okay, clearly u sin theta is equals to this is a negative function left side one right g Tm. Okay. Now this function we can substitute to this one. Okay. Now u sin theta is equals to gtm. Every time period we can represent that tm is equals to the time period tm is equals to u sin theta by g. U sin theta by g. Now this is the time of maximum height we can take, and tm is equals to u sin theta by g. This is the function. Clearly, you know the function. I can represent the function at time period tm is equals to u sin theta by g. Now this one is the time of maximum height. Which time we can represent it at every x-axis to every y-axis represents. At 0 is the fundamental value of the initial velocity. Now initial velocity we can represent when the object starts from a 0th position to at parabolic position. Which position? The parabolic position. Clearly, the edge of the point, the maximum of the point we can take, and the peak of the point we can take at By. By means we can take as the maximum height of the point. Okay, now maximum height of the point at By is equal to, similarly we can take u sin theta minus gt function. Previous class we can applicable. Clearly, u sin theta minus gt. Since we can take By is equals to 0, at 0 is equals to u sin theta minus gtm. That gtm is equals to, tm function is equals to u sin theta by g. This is the fundamental function which can take as time of maximum height. Now next one, time of flight. Time of flight. Now next one. Now what is the time of flight? Now what we can take as flight length? Okay, time of flight. Now what is the equation of time of flight? Time of flight. What is the equation of time of flight? Time of flight. Here the same value of time of flight we can represent some of graphical point. Now this one is x-axis to this one is y-axis. X-axis to y-axis. And 0 is the initial point we can take. Now this is the projected function. This is the projected function we can applicable. The time we can manage of this point. Clearly, at 0 initial point of time we can represent to height of the position. Okay, now time of flight which is known as, we get the graphical analysis. Clearly, every x-axis to y-axis represents. Now projected one we can take in. Now flight which we can take in as only for projected one. Now projected we can take in. This is the flight position. Projected means we can take it as every y-axis, every y representation, u sin theta representation. Which time theta? Sin theta representation. Clearly? Now, same representative function we can take in that equation going to s is equals to ut plus half at square. This is the representative value. Now from kinematic, second kinematic equation, s is equals to ut plus half at square. Same equation represents our in time of flight. Clearly? Okay. Now y is equals to, okay, y is equals to, we can take every y position, y is equals to ut means u sin theta into t. Okay. Projected means we can take every negative sign, acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Minus half gt square. Minus half gt square. Time of flight which we have taken as tf, this is taken as tf. Since at every y position displacement we can take as y is equals to 0, then u sin theta into tf minus half gtf square is equals to at 0 function. Okay, u sin theta into tf is equals to half gtf square. T square get cancelled. Clear? Now the next one. Now the next one we can take tf is equals to, we can take as the function 2u sin theta. 2u sin theta by g is equals to tf. Tf means time of flight. And tf is equals to 2u sin theta by g. Now this is the function is known as time of function. Clearly we can observe tf is equals to 2u sin theta by g. This is the secondary function. Okay. Every enabled function we can take in our previous one, maximum time, the time of maximum we can maximum height. The equation tf is equals to u sin theta by g. Next one tf is equals to 2u sin theta by g. Okay. Now if we can take in as any two axes represents at x-axis of base of the point and y-axis projected of the point. Which point we can take a projected of the point. At initial point to object we can take in as a projected one. At 0 initial point to, and u is the velocity. U means we can take an initial velocity, u is equals to maximum one. Clearly? Okay. Now s is equals to ut plus half at square. Since we can take an s is the displacement function, the displacement of projected one every y-axis represents. Clearly? Now u sin theta into tf, the time period taken as f is the flight of time period. Okay. Plus clearly half A is equals to acceleration due to gravity. In projected function, you can take an acceleration due to gravity is always negative, upward direction. Minus g t square tf square. At y is equals to 0, u sin theta into tf minus half gt square is equals to 0. U sin theta into tf is equals to half gt square. 2u sin theta by g is equals to tf and tf is equals to 2u sin theta by g. Now this is the time of flight. Okay. Now what is the relation between maximum height of time period and time of flight? Okay. Now what is the relation? Okay. Now we are going to the relation between maximum time period of height of time period and next one time of flight. Time of flight. So what is the relation? The relation becomes, we can take as Tm is equals to the maximum time period of height is equals to, we can take it Tm is equals to 2u sin theta by g. Tf is equals to 2u sin theta by g. Okay. Relation between time of maximum height and next one time of flight. Time of flight. Now this one. That Tf is equals to u sin theta by g. Now Tf is equals to 2u sin theta by g. Okay, first we are going to time of maximum height. Time of maximum height. Now what is the equation? At Tm is equals to u sin theta by g. Now next one. Time of flight. T suffix f is equals to 2u sin theta by g. There are two equations you can take. Okay. Now what is the relation between Tm and Tf? Okay. Tm and Tf. Clear one? Now first we can take an u sin theta by g. 2u sin theta by g. Since this one is u sin theta by g, this one is 2u sin theta by g. The function we can made as, okay, u sin theta by g is equals to 2 into u sin theta by g. This is the time maximum height of time period. The time of maximum Tm is equals to 2 into T. Tm is equals to 2 into Tm function. Every time period we can represent the relation between, we can take as every maximum height is equals to 2 sufficient of which one we can take as a time of flight function. Every time function we can represent a time function. Every 2 of the portion we can take. 2 time period is equals to, we can take as Tf also we can represent. In every function we can made as represented to every maximum height and flight also we can take. U sin theta by g, 2u sin theta by g. A 2 is the constant function we can take out the multiple purpose. In 2 into u sin theta by g, 2 means we can take as Tm, 2 into Tm. At every secondary portion we can represent that the one time of flight. One time of flight is equals to maximum height of time period. This is the representative function. This phenomenon is known as the relation between time of maximum height and time of maximum flight also. Clearly? Okay, this fundamental function is representative. Now next one, maximum height of projectile. Which one? Maximum height of projectile. Now what is the maximum height of projectile? Okay. What is the maximum height of projectile? Now what is projectile? Projectile means we can take it as every y representation. Y means the projected function. Projectile means every when an object thrown vertically upward direction. Which direction? Upward direction. This the phenomenon is known as projectile. Every upward direction we can represent the statement. Now what is the next one? Now next one we can go into the next one we can take as what is the purpose? Now next one, maximum height of projectile. Okay, now maximum height of projectile we can take as Tm. Tm is equals to u sin theta into g function. Maximum height of projectile. Maximum height of projectile. Now what is the maximum height of projectile? For example, we choose diplomatic in the height representation function at x-axis to y-axis. X-axis to y-axis. It's the maximum. It will give x-axis. Okay. In every axis, in every y-axis, the projected function which can be represented in maximum height of projectile. Okay. Now next we can go into the equation we can take as equation. Which equation we can take in S is equals to ut plus half a t square. This is the equation we can take from kinematics second. Okay. Now the equation. Now what kind of equation we can represent? Every x-axis, every S is equals to y representation. U is the projected one. Now projected we can take as now this is the function u cos theta. Okay, u cos theta. This one is u sin theta. U cos theta and u sin theta. Now S is equals to ut plus half a t square. Now the equation we can take in S is equals to y projected one. Projected height of the projected is equals to u means u sin theta into t. The plus function, okay, plus half minus g, the projected one, t square. The represented one, maximum height of time period also we can take Tm. Okay, Tm and Tm. Now y is equals to u sin theta into Tm. We can take Tm is equals to what kind of u sin theta by g. U sin theta by g plus half. We can take a negative one also minus half g. T means u sin theta by g whole square. U sin theta by g whole square. If y representation y is equals to what kind of equation? U square sin square theta by g minus half g u square sin square theta by g square. This is the secondary. This is the secondary one. Clear? Now next we can y is equals to u square sin square theta by g minus half g u square sin square theta by g. Every y representation, for example, we can take as y is equals to 0 maybe. Okay, since we can take as y is equals to 0 function represented, now u square sin square theta by g minus half g u square sin square theta by g square function also is equals to 0. The repeated function is the negative sign, which can be going to the 0th position is always positive one. And u square sin square theta by g is equals to half g. So next one, u square sin square theta by u square sin square theta by g square. Okay, now square g get cancelled, g also get cancelled, you can take it. The next fundamental you can take in this function and this function can be mutually equal function. Which function? Mutually equal function. Now this is the normal maximum height of projectile. Normal maximum height of projectile. Now this is the fundamental which is known as the projectile one. Okay.